What causes clunking or knocking noises going over bumps? You ever hear a clunking noise or a knocking noise when you're going over bumps in your vehicle? It's a sign that there's something worn out or loose in the suspension. Typically the suspension in between, it's made out of metal parts, and in between those metal parts you'll have rubber components and you'll have something that's lubricating the grease. And if we have something that has lost the rubber, or there's no lubricant, the grease in between those parts, that's where you're going to hear that metal on metal clunking or knocking. So it's a good sign to get something checked out right away, because we have something going on with that metal or with that lubrication in the suspension system.